To answer this question, we need to fill in a table of values and then plot those points on the Cartesian plane above. So we've been given a formula to help us fill in the table of values that says y equals 1x plus 2. And what that means is that for each of our x values in our table of values, we can substitute the x value into the formula and then put the corresponding y value into our table of values. Let me show you what I mean. This formula basically turns x values into y values by using multiplication and addition. Whatever your x value is, you multiply it by 1 and then add 2. So if our first x value is 0, we multiply it by 1. 1 times 0 is 0, and then add 2 to that result. 0 plus 2 is 2, so we can put a 2 in the first answer box. Now we can do the same thing for our second x value, which is 1. 1 times 1 is 1, and if we add 2 to that, that gives us 3. The last value in our table of values is 2. 1 times 2 gives us 2, and if we add 2 to that, it gives us a y value of 4. So now we've managed to fill in our table of values, and it gives us 3 points that we can plot on the Cartesian plane up here. So the first point would be 0, 2, 0 for the x value and 2 for the y value. So we can start at 0 on the x-axis and then go up to 2 on the y-axis, and that'll tell us where we can put our point right up here. So we can put a point on 0, 2. Then we need to plot the point 1, 3, so we can go across to 1 on our x-axis, then up to 3 on our y-axis, and our point can go here. Now last point is at 2, 4, so if we go across to 2 on our x-axis and then up to 4 on our y-axis, the intersection is where we can put our final point to complete the question.